how to choose the correct color for your type of wood? Well, the rule of thumb is that you wetten the untreated wood and then you look at what color in the DuroGrit range is the closest to that natural wet look of your wood. And that color in the DuroGrit range will provide a durable protection and UV protection for your wood. Anything that is lighter won't provide a good protection, and the wood will discolor much faster, and anything darker is also good. So here I will show you how to choose the correct color. So you wetten the untreated wood. And then you look at what color in the DuroGrit range is the closest to that wet look of the wood. As you can see, it's somewhere between the rocky umber and the bison brown. And here I already applied the rocky umber on thermo-treated wood. And as you can see, a common mistake is that people always choose grassland beige for an invisible look on their type of wood. This is grassland beige. This is the correct color that you should apply on thermo-treated wood, rocky umber. As you can see, initially there is not so much of a difference between the two, but as you can see, grassland beige is not the natural wet look of the wood. It initially darkens the wood, it gives that wet look, so the color is very similar to the one applied to the rocky umber, but with grassland beige the wood would lose much faster its dark color, and when you do a maintenance, grassland beige won't be able to get the original dark color back, whereas rocky umber will hold the original color for much longer time, and when you do a maintenance, when the color eventually starts to fade, then it will bring back the original dark color.